By age 35, 67% of people have less than $1,000 saved. But what if I told you avoiding that disaster starts with just 10 simple habits? Welcome to Top 10 Knowledge. I'm Nate Bullion, and today I'm revealing the exact money rules that helped me go from broke college student to financially free by 30. No fluff, no jargon, just actionable tips you can start today. Let's go! Rule number 1, track every dollar. Most people think budgeting is for later when they earn more. Wrong. Start now. Apps like Mint or Pocket Guard link to your bank and categorize spending automatically. Example, if you spend $12 a day on coffee, that's $300 per month. Budgeting helps you redirect that cash to what matters. Rule number 2, build a $1K emergency fund. Without it, a flat tire or medical bill forces you into debt. How? Cut one non-essential, goodbye, daily DoorDash. Sell old stuff on Facebook Marketplace or work 3 hours of overtime a week. Stash it in a high-yield savings account. LA Bank offers 4% plus interest. Free money while you sleep. Rule number 3, murder high-interest debt. Credit cards charge criminal rates. 20% APR means a $1,000 balance costs $200 per year just in interest. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest rate debt first. Pro tip, call your card issuer and ask for a lower rate. They'll often say yes if you've paid on time. Rule number 4, invest early, even $50 a month. A 25-year-old investing $200 a month at 7% returns hits $500K by 65. If your job offers a $401K match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's a 100% return instantly. No match? Open a Roth IRA. Use apps like Acorns to automate investing spare change. Rule number 5, invest in index funds, not hype. Meme stocks and crypto are gambling. Boring wins. The S&P 500 grows 10% annually long-term. Buy ETFs like VOO or SPY. Example, $100 per month in VOO could grow to $150K in 30 years. Set it, forget it, let compounding work. Rule number 6, fix your credit score. A 750 plus score slashes mortgage rates, saving you $100K plus over 30 years. How? Pay bills on time, keep credit card use below 30% of your limit, and never close old accounts. Use free tools like Credit Karma to monitor progress. Rule number 7, start a side hustle. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. You don't need a genius idea, walk dogs, tutor online, or rent out your car on Turo. Invest 50% of side hustle cash. Don't let lifestyle inflation eat it. Rule number 8, learn 20 minutes a week. Read I Will Teach You to Be Rich, or follow finance creators like Ramit Sethi. Knowledge is equal to power. Block time every Sunday to watch one finance video or read 10 pages. Small habits is equal to big results. Rule number 9, spend on what you love, cut the rest. Ask, does this add real value to my life? Cancel unused subscriptions. The average person wastes $100 a month here. Negotiate bills, call your internet provider and say, I'm thinking of switching. They'll likely drop your rate. Rule number 10, says MRT goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Save $5K in 12 months means saving $416 a month. Break it down weekly, $96. Write goals down and review them monthly. Celebrate milestones, even $500 saved deserves a fist bump. Boom! 10 rules to turn your finances around in 2024. If you do one thing today, start tracking your spending, it's life-changing. Smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss next week's video. How to turn $100 into $1,000 with side hustle. Comment below, which rule are you tackling first? Let's build a community of financial badasses together.